So this is the shirt for tomorrow, and we're going to make a dress for the Cowboys game and Commanders. All right, so this is the before. All right, so this is the shirt for tomorrow. All right, so this is the shirt for tomorrow, and we're going to make a dress for the Cowboys game and Commanders. All right, so this is the before. And so what you do is you find like another bodycon. Let me see. I'm trying to put it over it right. So once you find an idea of like the shape of the dress, the shape, you lay it like so, right? Okay. And you want to cut. And so I have cut the sides, right? You see that? We cut the sides. So I'm going to have to cut maybe a little more. I'm going to cut this side. Okay. All right, so now that we got both of the sides cut, we did 13 of these on each side. 13. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the scissors and we're going to basically cut this and then tie it, okay? And then we're going to go and do all of these, cut them and tie them to make the dress. All right. So stay tuned. I don't think I can record, but what we want to do is take it and basically, so now this is cut. You take it and you tie it into a knot. And you literally, is it blurry? Okay, you tie a knot and then you literally tie the knots going all the way up. All right, I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit better. All right, so I did a couple and you see how it kind of tightens it up and gives you these little fringes. And I'm gonna, all right, so I have cut the ends and tied them with and made the fringes so you guys can see the fringes. So use a bodycon. Voila! All right, guys. Can't wait for my debut of my outfit that I made and see how is it fit. You see the fringes? It's gonna be cute. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I have cut the ends and tied them with and made the fringes so you guys can see the fringes. So use a bodycon. Voila! All right, guys. Can't wait for my debut of my outfit that I made and see how is it fit. You see the fringes? It's gonna be cute. All right, stay tuned. All right, and we're back next day. So this is how it looks. I have it on, guys. Look, check me out. Look at it, my little fringes on the side, right? So we're gonna do the makeup time, and we're getting ready for the Cowboys and Commanders game. So, of course, my ponytail, you guys know, keeping it cute. My little bow I just got, really cute. And, of course, my jewelry, my necklace. And now we're going to do the makeup. We have to hurry up and get on the road, so I'm going to give you guys the fast version. As you guys know, it's my Anastasia 11 and 12. You guys already know the program. So we're going to do the quick and fast version because I want to make it to brunch and get some food. So lighter underneath, and then I go into the darker in an upward motion, like so. And a little here, maybe a little there, right? And I also do a lighter here as well. Okay, and again, that's Anastasia. Put the shopping cart. And then what I like to do is I like to blend with my fingers because I feel like it lays better for me. Or I like to use one of these sponges. So, but I feel like sometimes the sponge take a lot of the product, so that's why I kind of like to go to my hands, and it seems like it does spread the product better for the Anastasia. And I just do like this. Voila, Anastasia. Click the link. All right, as you guys know, my favorite gold, my Fenty Beauty, as well as my eyeshadow that I love. So beautiful, right? You guys know the drill. I do the same makeup. And then I just love this color tone on me. Nothing like a nice brown bronzer to bring out like the color of my eyes. I like a brown color, but this really helps to bring it out even more. You know? So. And then kind of bring it up. Okay. And then okay, got that done. Again, this is my Fenty, which I love. Shout out to Fenty. And this is number Gold Hoops, number 66. Okay, Fenty. Because I love gold. Gold, gold, gold. So now what I'm gonna do is blend this. And again, I always like using my fingers because I feel like it blends better. Yeah, voila. Just like that. All right, so I'm wrapping this up to head to the game, and then I'll keep you guys posted as we go. But I got, so I want to open it up, right? The big bottle. And then I also got something in here, but we're going to save that for later. La 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 la. Okay. Big bottle. So this bottle size is 200 milliliter. Oh, I love it. You see? I think this is the new kind. Woo! Thank you, Chanelly. All right. So I love that scent. It's like very soft, very luxury smelling fragrance. I love this for me. Cute bottle. I love the top. Nice glass. Very nice. They always have like cute little packaging, you know what I mean? And then you put this on like so. And it slides down, and then I'll put this with my other perfumes I have. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. All right, we're going to the Dallas game.
Let's go.
That's right.
Yeah.
Count them up. That's right. All right, guys, we are at the game, and check me out.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on Cowboys Way.
Ooh, it smells good.
In 1,000 feet, turn left on Cowboys Way.
Yes, we're out and about. We're at the Dallas and Redskins game. Cute. Stay tuned, y'all. Dang, that food smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, I want to bite. Asking for a hot dog or something. I don't even eat hot dogs. But look, y'all, I made this. So cute. All right. Oh. Cute with my fringes on the side. Yeah, guys, so we're having a great time. Happy Sunday fun day. Stay tuned. Love the comments, right? want a video. Yes. Okay, come on, girl. Get into it, honey. Yes. Cowboys. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Yes. We cute. Okay.
Please welcome the Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders.
First attempt at the Commanders' 15-yard. And they're coming right to left in the color rush whites. White
Happy
helmets.
Sunday Fun Day. Let me know what you guys are doing. We're out in Dallas as usual. Dallas! We're at the Cowboys game. Let me know what you guys are doing for Sunday Fun Day. Let me know where we are. Okay. Ciao. Click the link for the ponytail. All right. Ciao.